Before I start this video, I would like to say that none of the music that's being played is mine. I'll leave a link to the actual music. I do not in any way, shape, or form create this music or produce it at all. This song belongs to Nintendo, not me. But anyway, let's begin the video. What's this? Hey, what's this? It looks like a package from somebody. What does this say? Happy East April 1st, 2018. Happy Easter from Jay. Kirby, you know dang on well that Jay is the same thing as Nintendo 739. Well, that is true. But I'm bored, man. Let's just go ahead and open this package. Ow, freaking knife. Alright. Watch Nintendo still give me a copyright claim anyway. I'm telling you, that's what they're gonna do. That's exactly what they're gonna do. I have no idea what's in this package. Do you, Yellow Kirby? Nope, I have no clue, man. I honestly don't know what could be in here. Oh, let's find out then. What the heck? Who are you? Oh, hello? 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 Are they dead? What the heck? Are they dead? Like, they won't talk to me or something. Who are you? And how did we get here in the first place? Look like y'all kidnapped or something, man. I had no idea. Well, Fairy Tail's going to save the day. Dude, there's no action going on or nothing, man. I don't know what you're talking about. You're just being weird. No, I'm not. Mr. Fullbuster's always here to kick some butt. You say that. I don't know what I'm gonna do now, so I'm just gonna jump. You said they were dead. Hold on. Hello? Hello? Yeah, I think they're asleep, man. I don't really know. Alright guys, that's the end of the unboxing video. If you liked it, then first of all, you're weird because this is probably one of the weirdest videos I made. So, like, comment, subscribe, and see you later, I guess.